Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to capture your screen on Mac OS with your voice without use of any another additional software outside of the Mac world. Apple did a very good built-in feature with the new Mac OS Mojave that gives a feature to record our screen with the audio. That will be very helpful in order to give online tutorials or to capture your screen with your voice for some memos and to send somebody that if you want to show something with along with the information that you think about it. So it's a very few steps and it's very easy. So let's start. So first of all, you need to press shift command and shift command and 5. So it will open up a dashed window like this. This shows that you are going to capture this portion of the screen. In the bottom, you will see there are multiple options like capture entire screen. And then the second thing is capture selected window. That means if you have a selected set like me, you will capture only this portion of the screen. The fourth part is like the record entire screen. If you click it, this dash window will enlarge its whole space for and ready for capturing the whole screen. And this is for capturing this selected portion of my screen. Along with this, I have an option here which shows me like where I want to save my data, which I got from this screenshot mechanism. So either desktop, documents, mail, and so on, or to the QuickTime player itself, you can see. And this timer means like for how long you want to go up. After that, it will stop by themselves. You don't have to do any of the commands. And this is the most important feature, like microphone. If you see, if I select none, it will go like now with the none. If I want to only capture my screen, what I am doing on my screen, then with none. But if I want to capture the screen along with my voice, then I have to use this built-in microphone. Now when I do the captures on my screen, it will record my voice along with the screen. Let's see, let's press the record. Here I am recording my screen for the demo purpose. Now I have to stop it, so I go on the top, there is a stopper, click it and it will stop, and your video is at the right hand corner. Open it and play. Recording my screen for the demo purpose. Now I have to stop it, so I go on the top, there is a stopper. As you can see, I captured my screen along with my voice without any installations. Thank you for watching. Hope you will get this video usable, and in future we will meet again. Thank you and have a nice day.